Cambridge-based Rescue Dogs Match held their first dog walk rescue fundraiser this past Saturday at Riverside Park. Local residents brought their furry friends along for a pizza party, a raffle, and of course, a walk. There was even a prize given out for the best dog costume.
The best dog costume goes to, is that Louise? No, Levi.
All the proceeds were donated to the nonprofit, volunteer-run organization that helps foster dogs to save their lives, solely on donations and the money raised through fundraisers like this one. For more information on future events and how you can help, go to www.rescuedogsmatch.com. For Spoke Online, I'm Taylor Pace.